Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with prerequisites. You must have admin credentials and the exact recovery key ID in front of you. Once logged into the target system, verify the OS and key management service. This affects commands and API endpoints. Make sure audit logging is on and your terminal is secure because recovery keys are sensitive. Next, open the correct management console or SSH session and authenticate with multifactor if required. Now that you're in, locate the key management interface to start retrieving a key. With access established, search for the recovery key ID in the key management console or run an authenticated CLI query. If using CLI or API, pass your token and the exact ID. Make sure to use read-only endpoints first to inspect without changing state. Once returned, examine metadata, creation date, status, and attached policies, because these determine whether you can extract the key material. If the key is wrapped or versioned, note the wrapping algorithm and required unsealing steps before attempting retrieval. Perform the retrieval following the metadata instructions: unseal, unwrap, or request export using the approved command or workflow. When you receive key material, immediately place it in an encrypted vault and record the event in your audit log. Rotate or revoke old keys if policy demands. Make sure to restrict access and update any dependent systems. If something goes wrong, verify your permissions, check the key management service health, and review audit logs for denied operations before retrying or escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.